Good morning children, welcome to the online class. Now we are in maths period. The first lesson, 4-digit numbers. What is the lesson name children? 4-digit numbers. Now see the 9th exercise children. Study the patterns given under and complete each row. Study the patterns given under and complete each row. What they are saying? Complete the each row. They are given different patterns. Okay? See, observe here children. The first one. Counting by fives. Write 4 numbers after 250. Counting by fives. Counting by 5. Counting means count the numbers. By 5. 5 numbers. Okay? Count by 5 numbers. Write 4 numbers after 250. Do you know children after? From first class onwards, you are learning after, before, between numbers. Yes or no children? After means 10 after. What is the number came? 10 after 11, 11 after 12, 12 after 13, 13 after 14. Like that. Okay. Then before number means, what is the before number? Backward counting. Backward counting means 10 before number. What is the 10 before number? Backward counting. 10 before 9, 9 before 8, 8 before 7. Like that. Okay children? Between means the middle of 2 numbers. Which number we will write in the middle of 2 numbers? They are given some numbers children. The between numbers means the middle of the numbers. Okay. Now see the first one children. Counting by fives, write 4 numbers after 250. 250 after what they are saying? Counting by 5. Open 5 fingers. What number they are given here? 250. 250 after open 5 fingers. Count it. 251, 252, 253, 254, 255. What number we are identified here? 255 right here. Then again open 5 fingers. 255 after 256, 257, 258, 259, 260. So write here 260. Again open 5 fingers children. 260 after 261, 262, 263, 264, 265. Sorry. Again open 5 fingers. 265 after 266, 267, 268, 269, 270. Okay children, now see. Counting by fives. We already counted here 5. Write 4 numbers after 250. We already wrote here 255, 260, 265, 270. 4 numbers. Okay children? Now see the second one. Counting by tens. Don't think like that children. Both are same. They are different patterns. Okay? Different numbers. Counting by tens. Here fives, here tens. Counting by tens. Write 4 numbers after. Now start 460 after. Again open 10 numbers. 460 plus 10. After means adding. Nothing but adding. 460 plus 10. How much? 470. 470 plus 10. 480. 480 plus 10. 490. 490 plus 10. 500. Okay children? Now see the third one. Counting by hundreds. Here hundreds. Write numbers between 290 and 790. Between numbers means middle of the numbers. How much here? Counting by 490. 490 plus 100. 590. 590 plus 100. 690. 690 plus 100. How much? 790. They are given already. Okay, children. So the between numbers are 390, 490, 590, 690. Okay, children. Observe carefully and copy in your H1 notes. Okay, children. Now see the next Roman. Now see the next Roman, children. They are given some numbers, children. The first blank you are write here. You should write here the number and then write here number name. How to write? 2000 plus 99. How much, children? 2099. Add these two numbers, children. 2000 plus 99 equal to 2099. How to write in number name? 2000 and 99. One see here, children. The 9 in which place? Ones place. 9 in tens place. 0 in hundreds place. 2 in thousand place. So you can easily write here 2000. In 100 place there is no value, so no need to write. 2900. 2999. Okay, children. 2099. Okay, children. Now see the second one. 2000 plus 999. How much here? 2999. Okay, children. How to write in number name? 2000 999. Nine in ones place, 9 in tens place, 9 in hundred place, 2 in thousand place. So how to write here? 2999. Okay, children. Now see the third one. 3000 plus 2000. How much it is? 5000. So how to write here? 5000. There is no number in ones, tens, hundreds, 100 places. So directly write here 5000. Now see the next one. 4000 plus 99. How much? 4099. How to write here, children? 4000 and 99. Okay, children. 4099. Now see the last one. 9000 plus 999. How to write? 9999. How to write here, children? In the words 9000 900 and 99. One see here, children. 9 in ones, 9 in tens, 9 in hundreds, 9 in thousands. So I write here 9000, 9999. 9999. Okay, children. These sums practiced in the house, children. Copying your C word children. Thank you. The remaining part we will continue in the next class. Thank you.